Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to wind a bobbin, insert it into the bobbin case, and thread the Kenmore 117.141. This machine was from 1948 and belongs to a friend of our family. I cleaned it up and I'm just making a video because the threading and the way it operates is a little bit different from other machines that I've encountered. It's a really good workhorse of a machine too. So I hope this video will be helpful to you if you have one of these machines or something similar to it. From the research that I was able to do, I have learned that this machine was made by White Sewing Machine Company, again, like I say, in 1948. So I'm going to move the camera a little closer and I'm going to show you winding a bobbin. The machine actually has two spool pin posts, and I'll put the thread for doing the bobbin winding here on the far right end. This machine is different in the way that the hand wheel operates. Most singers and other machines, the hand wheel will turn towards you for forming a stitch. However, the motor on this one sits to the back of the machine. There's no belt involved. It's actually a little hard rubber wheel that sits to the back of this metal hand wheel. And when the motor is going, it turns the hand wheel away from us. So that's something important to keep in mind. When we're winding a bobbin, we want to loosen the clutch on the machine so that the needle's not going up and down as we're winding our bobbin. I will hold the large inner ring and turn the inside ring towards me. That's going to disengage the clutch so the needle's not going up and down while we're doing this, which could be a problem if you got some fabric or something under there. You just don't want to get stuck by that needle too. Here's a bobbin that is for this particular type machine. It was quite dirty when I got it. I've cleaned it up and got the rust off. They still are available. Sewing Parts Online is a company that I find to be really good to find some replacement parts. So if you find that you're in need of that, that also would be a source for you. This machine's electric system on it, pretty much from the motor to the floor, as far as the foot control and the power cord, were completely crumbling. And I was fortunate, I found a vendor on eBay from which I was able to purchase a brand new power cord that plugged directly into the motor. And so we solved the problem with the electrical with just a complete new harness set. I'll try to put that in the information below the video in case someone else is in that situation or needing new wiring. You still might want someone that is good with motors to check the motor out so that you will know you will have a working product at the end. I'm going to place our bobbin here on the surface for just a moment, and I'm going to thread the guides. It has a little system up here of different little guides to put this thread in. I'm going to first catch it under a downward facing hook, and then into two tabs that are facing towards me, like two tines on a fork. And then I'm going to go behind this lower guide. At that point, the thread system for my guides for loading the bobbin have received the thread. And I'm going to place the thread from the inside to the outside on the bobbin and place it on the post. To engage the bobbin winder, lift up. The tire will ride on the large wheel. When I step on the foot control, it will now wind the bobbin. I'm just going to wind a small amount on here. If you wanted a completely full bobbin, you would go until desired fullness and then stop. Okay, so we have a little bit of thread there. If I wanted to continue on, I can snip this outside thread away and continue to fill that bobbin to the fullness that I desire. For this though, I'm going to stop, release the bobbin winder tire, cut the thread, remove my bobbin, and I'm going to re-engage the clutch. I will want it engaged when I sew later. So I've just taken care of that by holding the outside, turning the inner ring away from me. Catch me on part 2 to see loading the bobbin case, and then part 3 for threading the head of the machine. Thank you for watching.